Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML and CSS in Weebly. This is particularly useful if you want to customize your website beyond what the standard editor allows, giving you complete control over your site's design and functionality. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on it. This section contains all your website management tools. Directly under the Website option, you'll find Edit Site. Click on that to proceed to the next step. At this point, you might have multiple websites under your account. Choose the specific website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to open the editor page for your chosen website. You're now in the editor interface where you can make various changes to your site. Focus on the top menu bar where you'll find several options. Locate and click on Theme. This is where all the visual customization options live, and it's the gateway to accessing your site's code. After clicking Theme, shift your attention to the left side menu. Scroll down to the lower section of this menu, and you'll find an option that says Edit HTML CSS. Click on this option to access the backend code of your website. This is where the real customization magic happens. Once you're in, you'll see your website's HTML and CSS code displayed on the screen. This interface allows you to make direct changes to your site's structure and styling. If you specifically want to edit your CSS, which controls the visual appearance of your site, navigate to the Styles folder within the code editor. This folder contains all the style sheets that define colors, fonts, spacing, and other design elements. Make whatever changes you need to the code. You can adjust colors, modify layouts, change fonts, or add custom styling that reflects your brand identity. Once you're satisfied with your edits, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a Save button. Click it to apply all your changes to your live website. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the HTML and CSS in Weebly, giving you deeper control over your website's appearance and functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.